Welcome to the complete roadmap for becoming an AI generalist. We have 5 levels to master. The landscape of work is shifting rapidly due to the rise of artificial intelligence. The jobs AI is replacing aren't the ones you think. It's not just repetitive tasks, it's the failure to adapt alongside new technology. An AI generalist bridges the gap between what AI can do and the actual problems businesses need to solve today. Sam Altman predicts one-person billion-dollar companies. AI generalists are the architects of this new business era. Level 1 is our starting point. Every expert was once a beginner. You don't need complex math. You just need to understand what the systems can do. Master these 3 pillars: understanding LLM prediction systems, perfecting your prompts, and building a daily AI habit. Stop using I like a simple search engine. Use it as a thought partner by providing context and role-specific instructions. Start by exploring ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and NotebookLM. Get comfortable with their unique strengths. You have completed level 1 once you are reliably saving time on your daily tasks without hesitation. If you are saving at least 1 hour per week using AI, you have successfully mastered the foundation. With these basics in place, you are ready to transition into higher levels of mastery. Let's move forward. Welcome to level 2. It is time to move beyond simple text and master the full spectrum of multimodal AI. Most people stop at level 1, thinking they have learned AI, but that is just one room in a very large house. Level 2 is where you expand your horizons. AI is no longer just chatbots. It is images, video, voice, code, and data. A true AI generalist is someone who can fluidly move between all these different modalities to solve complex problems. Let us start with visual AI. This is where your creative expression meets intelligent generation. Tools like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly can generate professional-grade images from simple text descriptions. A marketer who can prompt these tools no longer needs to wait for a designer for every single asset. Next, we have video AI. This is truly collapsing the barriers of traditional production. Tools like RunwayML and HeyGen dramatically reduce the cost and time required for high-quality video production. A single person with these tools can now produce content that previously required an entire production team. Then there is voice and audio. This technology allows for unprecedented creative control. ElevenLabs can clone a voice or generate studio-quality audio narration in a matter of minutes. Descript lets you edit a podcast just by editing the transcript. Delete a word on the page, and it disappears from the audio. Finally, we have Code AI, which is democratizing the ability to build software. You do not need to be a developer to use tools like Cursor, Replit, or GitHub Copilot. These tools let you describe what you want, and they write the code, helping non-technical founders ship real products. The advantage isn't being the best at one thing, but being competent across all of them. It is about knowing which tool to reach for which specific job, to achieve the best result. Understanding the ecosystem helps you identify exactly which AI tool will solve your current bottleneck most efficiently. By mastering these modalities, you have moved from a simple user to an AI-powered creator. Here is your level 2 tool stack. Use Midjourney for images, Runway for video, and Cursor for coding to build your AI repertoire. You've reached your milestone when you can deliver a project using at least 3 different AI modalities together. Go build it. Welcome back to our roadmap to becoming an AI generalist. Today we're leveling up to level 3, automation. Levels 1 and 2 covered what you can do manually with AI, but level 3 is where the real transformation happens. We've built our foundation by learning to prompt and experiment. Now we're ready to put those skills on autopilot. Level 3 is about what AI can achieve while you sleep. This is where automation enters the picture and transforms your productivity. An AI workflow is a sequence of tasks that happens automatically whenever a trigger fires. An automated sequence removes the need for you to manually touch every part of a routine process. It starts with a trigger, an event, which then initiates a series of predetermined AI actions. Let's look at a practical example: managing your overflowing inbox. The workflow begins the moment a new email lands in your inbox. AI automatically reads, categorizes the urgency, and drafts a professional response for you. The draft is sent directly to your Slack, allowing for a seamless, one-click approval process. Automation isn't just for emails, it's a powerhouse for data processing. When a new lead submits a form, that action acts as the trigger. AI immediately extracts the data and enriches it with additional context from web searches. The system logs everything in your database and drafts a personalized follow-up message. You're no longer performing these tasks, you've designed a system to handle them for you. You are shifting from a task doer to a system designer. Automation allows you to scale your output infinitely without increasing your workload. To build these systems, you need the right tools. Visual automation builders and workflow managers are the core tools you will use to design your systems. The best part? You don't need to know how to code to link hundreds of apps together. These platforms allow you to inject smart logic into any step of your digital chain. Automation is the single most high-leverage skill you can develop in this entire roadmap. One workflow, built once, can replace dozens of hours of manual labor every single month. The compounding effect of these automated systems is what gives you your time back. Instead of asking, "How do I do this?" start asking, "How do I design a system to handle this automatically?" Here is the tool stack you will need to master to reach the next level. You will need advanced automation builders and cloud connectors. You should also utilize smart native automation platforms and leverage no-code cloud databases to create connected workspaces. Finally, master the integration layer that connects all your applications via smart workflows. You have the tools and the philosophy. Now it's time to set your milestone. You complete level 3 when you have at least one live automated workflow, saving you 5 or more hours per week. Your goal is a fully automated, hands-off workflow that runs entirely without you. Welcome to level 4 of the AI Generalist roadmap, mastering AI agents and autonomous teams. Level 4 moves beyond simple task automation into deploying entire teams of AI that work together toward complex goals. We are shifting from automating single tasks to managing autonomous teams of agents. While chatbots simply respond to prompts, agents act autonomously, browsing the web and making decisions without step-by-step guidance. Multi-agent systems involve multiple specialized entities working in parallel to solve complex problems. Each agent focuses on a specific part of a task, ensuring specialized efficiency across the board. Sophisticated systems use an orchestrator to manage handoffs between agents, ensuring seamless workflow transitions. Imagine researching 3 competitors and generating a full report in minutes, not hours. Where manual research takes 6 hours, an automated multi-agent workflow can complete the same task in roughly 20 minutes. Individual agents research specific company data, while a final orchestrator synthesizes the findings into a polished strategic document. You don't always need to be a developer to build these systems. Here is the tool stack. No-code platforms allow you to define tools and guardrails, letting the agents run your workflows immediately. For more customization, light-code frameworks offer greater control over how your agents interact and remember information. At level 4, the most critical skill isn't coding, it's human judgment. You must design agent systems wisely, recognizing which tasks require automation and which require human oversight. Knowing when to add a human checkpoint is what separates a novice from an expert AI generalist. Level 4 gives you a team of tireless, infinitely patient collaborators at your fingertips. Your output is no longer constrained by your own hours, but by the scale of your ideas. This ability to manage autonomous systems is precisely what companies are seeking right now. You've reached level 4 when you have a live, multi-agent system executing a business task from start to finish. With your system live and running, you've successfully deployed your first autonomous team. You are now ready to tackle higher-level challenges as an AI generalist. We've reached the destination. Level 5. The AI Generalist. This isn't just about using tools, it's a completely new way of thinking and problem-solving. A Level 5 Generalist maps AI capabilities to solve problems in any domain, focusing on the outcome, not just the tool. You aren't boxed into one function. Apply AI across marketing, operations, finance, product, and HR to become truly indispensable. Whether it's no-code apps or automated pipelines, you can go from concept to working product in hours, not months. The most underrated skill is leadership, translating what's technically possible into plain language that decision-makers understand. The path forward is wide open for those who master this transition. You could become an AI consultant, an AI director, or even start your own AI-powered business. Data shows AI professionals earn a 25% wage premium, and that gap is widening every single quarter. Here is the reality. The gap between those using AI and those who aren't is growing faster than almost any other skills gap in history. Being an AI generalist is a competitive advantage today, but it won't be long before it's just the baseline expectation. You don't need to be perfect to start. Just pick your current level and begin. If you're at level 1, spend 30 minutes today using one tool. If you're at level 2, build one automation this week. The roadmap is laid out for you. The only variable remaining is whether you decide to move. Drop a comment right now, just one word, and tell me which level you are at. I reply to every single one. Hit subscribe for new videos every week on workflows and strategies that are actually moving the needle. Know someone who needs to start? Send them this video. It might be the most useful thing you do for them today. See you in the next one.